Hey guys, welcome back again. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple caramel popcorn. It's quite easy and it's a delicious snack which you can make at home. Within 5 minutes you'll be done. So for the ingredients, I'll be using butter, sugar, popcorn kernel, baking soda and vanilla essence. Basically, you can just make your caramel popcorn with just butter and sugar, but I just added baking soda because I want the sugar syrup to coat the popcorn evenly. And for the vanilla flavor, it's just totally optional. You can do without it. I just like a little bit of flavor in my popcorn. So let's get started. To make this caramel popcorn, I'll start by adding a tablespoon of butter to a pot. And then I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil. This is optional. Okay, so after adding this, I'm going to just swirl this a little bit to coat the pot, and I'm going to allow this to heat up a little bit. Once it starts to smoke, I'll start by adding one popcorn to it. I just want to make sure the oil is hot enough. Okay, so this has popped already, so I'm going to add the remaining popcorn kernels. I'm just going to cover this immediately, then I'm going to give the pot a little shake to allow the popcorn kernels to coat with the oil. Okay, the popcorns are already popping up, so I'm just going to wait for this to pop. As this is popping, every now and then I just give the pot a little shake to make sure the heat is evenly distributed. Once the popping sound has reduced, it means this is ready. So I'm going to put off heat and allow the remaining unpopped corns to pop using the remaining heat. Okay, you now have your popcorns ready. I'm now going to transfer this into a bowl. Okay, so I'm going to place the pot on heat. To it, I'm going to be adding in sugar. I'm using half cup of sugar. I'm just going to add in a little water to prevent the sugar from burning quickly. I'm just going to use a wooden turner to stir this. I just melted this a little bit, so I'm going to wait for it to caramelize. One thing with caramel, you need to measure everything and keep in place, so you don't have to jump around trying to measure out things, because you really need to be very fast. This can get really hot and the color can easily change immediately. Once it begins to turn a little bit brown like the color of amber, I'm going to stir in the butter and allow it to melt. Okay, I'm just stirring everything as quickly as I can, because this can be very hot and it can turn out bitter if I waste any little time. So I now have this fluffy texture. I'm just going to add in a little bit of baking soda to prevent the popcorn from staying grainy. Now I'm going to put off heat. Okay, I'm just going to quickly transfer this to the popcorn. I had to share this into two, so I'll be able to work with a little at a time. Just stir this around until it coats with the sugar syrup. I'm going to drizzle the remaining caramel over this also. You should have it in mind that this can get quickly hardened. So after coating this is what we've got. It's nicely coated and we have this beautiful color of amber. Okay, quickly I'm going to just spread this out on a tray lined with a baking sheet of foil paper. I'm just going to air dry this, then I will break them apart once they are dry. Once the popcorns are dried, I'm just going to break them apart. They are very crunchy. I can't waste time in testing this. Really delicious. You need to try this out. This is a very simple snack you can enjoy. So friends, your caramel popcorn is ready. You can easily make this inexpensive homemade caramel popcorn and enjoy as a simple snack. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really loved this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this simple snack recipe with your friends. Until next time, bye.